In this video, I will show you how to install YouTube app for laptop in Windows 11 from any browser. Open up the browser you are using. I will open the Brave browser. Then open up YouTube. While on YouTube, come to the search bar. There will be this little computer icon. Push on it. Press install. I will close these tabs for a better look at what's going on. Here's the YouTube app. Push on it twice. And there we go, guys. The YouTube app is working from our computer. And that's how you do it, guys. How to install YouTube app for laptop in Windows 11 10 from any browser.